Welcome back, yogis, to Become Yoga School. I am its creator, Jewel Elizabeth, and today we have a very special teacher tutorial. So this is a series of videos I'm going to be doing over the next month. It will drop every Monday at noon Eastern, and it's going to give you some of the tools you need for the back end of your yoga business. This specific video is for those of you that are interested in registering with Yoga Alliance. So it's perfect for those of you about to graduate your YTT, starting the process of becoming a registered yoga teacher through Yoga Alliance, or if you were just interested in the steps that you need to take in order to register with the Yoga Alliance. This is not the video where we get to talk about the pros and cons and if you should join Yoga Alliance. This is the video if you've already made that decision and you want the how to do it. I got you. I am going to drop all the links to the tutorial videos in the comments below. So make sure you click that and see all the things we have to offer for our teacher tutorial series. All right, we're going to dig in. If you see on the screen here, this is yogaalliance.org. That is their main website. Yoga Alliance is the international accrediting board for registered yoga schools and registered yoga teachers. So Become Yoga School is an RYS 200 registered yoga school. If you would like to become a registered yoga teacher, there's a 200-hour level, a 300-hour level, a 500-hour level, and then for each of those, there's also a thing called RYT, which is Experienced Registered Yoga Teacher. It takes 2 years after RYT to try to register for your RYT. Experienced is the differentiator there, and you have to also teach 1,000 hours in those 2 years. So same process for any of this, just depending on which certification you are aligned with right now. But we're going to talk about first time, which is going to be your 200-hour first time becoming a registered yoga teacher, an RYT. So here's yogaalliance.org. You're going to go to that website. If you have already signed in, maybe you get their emails, you're going to go to log in. If it is your first time, you're going to say join. So I actually am already a registered yoga teacher through Yoga Alliance. We are going to create a fake account and give myself a certification so you can see the process. Before we get there, I want to let you know about the fees that are involved with this. There's a $65 annual fee that you will pay every year to be in the Yoga Alliance registry. And for the first time you do it, there's also a $50 registration fee. So your very first year, you're going to pay $115 US. That is the prices as of June 7th, 2021. If you're watching this video later, of course, go and check and make sure what those fees are. But just wanted to set you up with that. I've heard a lot of questions about that. It's $65 per year, no matter what. And your first year, you also pay an additional $50. So if you're ready to become an RYT, have $115 US at the ready because they are going to ask for it. You also need to know the name of your school, and you potentially need to know the name of your certifying teacher. In my case, it's Become Yoga School and Jewel Elizabeth. But if your school is a little different, or if you have like 9 different people that are in charge of the manual, you'll have to know all those names to see who the lead teacher on that program is. So we're going to click join. Right there on top, I'm going to click join. It's going to say create your account. It's going to bring you to this page. You're going to enter your legal first name, legal last name, your date of birth, your phone number, email address, and then you're going to create a password. So let's just pretend here I'm going to make up a name. I love the name Bianca. Last name is going to be Peterson. Date of birth, I'll say 01/01, 1990. Have to do all 4 dates. If you are not American, remember this is an American association. We do month day first. So January 10th is 01/10, not 10/01 for my Europeans and my Asians and South Americans. I'm going to use my own email address because I own it, and I'll see what it shows like on the other side. And then you're going to create a password. Let's just make one up. Okay, so now I am logged in with my email address and the password I created into Yoga Alliance. And now it's going to ask you a few questions. How would you describe yourself? Are you a school or are you a teacher? You are a teacher, so you're going to click on this orange button here. You're going to go down and here are all the certifications I told you about. Apply for an RYT credential. A registered yoga teacher, RYT credential, is earned by yoga teachers whose training and teaching experience meet Yoga Alliance standards. An RYT must complete training training with a registered yoga school like Become Yoga School, RYS, be confirmed by the RYS, and keep current with continuing education and membership annual dues. So every 2 years for Yoga Alliance, you also have to do a certain amount of continuing education credits in order to renew your certification. The first year, you just get to renew it on your own. The second year, you have to prove those continuing education credits. So I went ahead and did this already through Become Yoga School because I own it. I was able to do the back end. So it's going to say, click a credential below to begin. So if say you did a 500 right away and you did the 200 and the 300 and you want to do 500, the process is a little different, but basically you go through these steps. You're going to add a training program. Again, here it says the registration cost is $115. You don't have to pay that until you are confirmed. And then you'll also have an opportunity to make a school review. So we hope if you choose to be with Become Yoga School, if you have any feedback, we really work on it. We really take action with any suggestions. Of course, privately email us or DM me on Instagram, and I'm happy to put things into action or talk to you more about like why it's not possible or brainstorm a little bit. But if you had a really great experience, of course, we would love a 5-star review with the Yoga Alliance. So you're going to click Add Training Program here. You're going to click, did you do an RYS 200, RYS 300, or RYS 500? Then you're going to enter your program dates. They have a little calendar right here. So say you did our 90-day timeline. We have a 30-day, 60-day, and 90-day graduation timeline on Become Yoga School. So say you started, we'll go back to say March 1st. Say you did March 1st and you ended 3 months later, which would be June 1st. Great. Then you're going to find your registered yoga school. You're just going to look up the school name. So when you look up Become Yoga School, search. So here we are, Become Yoga School in New York, New York. And the trainers are Amy Farahay and Jewel Elizabeth. That's me. You're going to select that. You're going to upload your certificate. So you have to get your certificate first, get that from your program. And then you're simply going to click Send Request. The request then goes to the registered yoga school. So in this instance, it comes to me and you get to verify, the school gets to verify that you actually went through this program, that you have completed it, that you did it at the dates you said, and that everything is on the up and up. From there, the school is going to confirm it, and then it will ask you for your payment. So that is it, my friends. I wanted to make this tutorial video for you to help you out on your journey from a yoga teacher, a 200-hour YTT, all the way to your RYT, registered yoga teacher accreditation. So I hope this answers any questions for you. To celebrate our new accreditation by Yoga Alliance for this month only, if you are not yet a yoga teacher or you have a friend who's been thinking about it, we are offering 50% off our 200-hour registered yoga teacher program here at Become Yoga School. So if you're interested in that, we are so welcoming and so happy to have you in our program. You can get that coupon code at our website, becomeyogaschool.com. A pop-up will show up. Just enter your email and you'll get that coupon code for 50% off. And then through that program, we have 30-day, 60-day, and 90-day graduation timelines. So it's completely self-paced, but there's also some organization to keep you aligned with your deadline and get you certified at the time you'd love to be certified. If you have any other questions, please drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to have this discussion and talk to yoga teachers from all over the world or YTT trainees that are about to become RYTs or YTT grads. So please drop your comments in the comment section below. Watch the rest of our teacher tutorials, which will be a playlist also linked below. And you have to like, subscribe, and click the bell. Clicking the bell is very important because it notifies you whenever we drop a new video, either the teacher tutorial videos we're doing for the month of June or also the yoga flows that we drop every Wednesday on this channel. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day and a wonderful, strong, fulfilling yoga career. Please remember to inhale positive and exhale negative. Bye, everyone.